The Car Junkie here, welcome back to another one. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to be talking about major accessories that you can add to your Honda CR-V. In fact, you can add this to any vehicle. That's what makes it great. So you may already notice some stuff behind me that are new or that we haven't talked about in the previous video. So let's get to it. So the first ones are these running boards right over here. I ordered these through Honda. I've actually put these up on other type of Honda forums, and I've gotten questions such as, do you really need one for a Honda CR-V? So the quick answer is no. The Honda CR-Vs are clearly low enough to step in and out of without these. However, there's two reasons that I added this. Number one is the cosmetic look. It makes the CR-V look a little lower to the ground, with still maintaining enough clearance at the bottom for our Canadian winters. The second reason is my children love it. So I have two 6-year-olds, I have twins, and surprisingly, after I got this installed, they use this every single time. To my surprise, when chatting in other forums, I realized that other fathers that have young children love it as well. I think it just gives a beautiful appearance to the CR-V. It looks like it sticks out a lot over here, but as you go to the back of the vehicle, it's quite tucked in. And the question was that, is there enough foot grip to get in and out of? I'm gonna demonstrate this for you right now. So I think this view is a little better. You can see what I mean right over here, where it's almost like tucked in. And at the front, it sticks out a lot more. So let me just show you something. As you can see, the running board sticks out fully over here and you can get in and out. I'm gonna try to get my foot right onto it so you can see what I mean as well. And my heels. Alright, so this is it. That's the running board right over there. I actually got this one installed from Honda, purchased and installed from them. You do need a hoist or some kind of jack to lift this vehicle up. Underneath the vehicle there is plastic that needs to be cut, if I'm not mistaken, and then you can actually put the brackets into the chassis of the vehicle. There is some work involved. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it took about an hour to an hour and a half to install this from Honda while I waited there. But I'm really pleased with this particular running board. If you want quality, you have to pay a little bit more, but you get peace of mind from Honda. So that's the first accessory. Let's move on to the second, shall we? All right, and the second accessory is the rims. So I replaced all 4 rims. Obviously you would replace all 4 rims. So this particular brand of rim is called Manzini. It's an in-house brand from Wheels for Less. The color is also gunmetal gray, which I really like because the car is gunmetal gray. So it goes really well. So they're 18-inch rims. They're fitted on the stock tires of the Honda CR-V. So I haven't changed out the tires whatsoever, just got the rims. And I'm really happy with it. Whoa, it got overexposed here. Let's just, okay. So this is what I would highly recommend for anyone that has just purchased their vehicle or has had their vehicle for a while but hasn't really done the rims yet. Get it done. Whatever vehicle you have, get rims done. It really brings out the look. It changes up the whole vehicle, believe it or not. Like, you don't realize it until you do it, and for those that have done it can probably vouch for this and can comment below and let me know, but it's well worth it. So that is the last major accessory that I've done on this Honda CR-V. If you guys want to go check out the budget-friendly accessories that I've done, check out the previous video. I'll put a link below this video where you guys can go check that one out for accessories on a budget. Now, I'll show you a bonus little accessory that I just got. Doesn't fit in the category of major, but I figured I'll just throw this one in. So let's take a look. All right, and the last accessory are the side window louver vent covers. These are from Amazon. I'm really happy with this product. This is a budget-friendly accessory that I just wanted to add in there. So these ones are actually installed very easily. I did them myself. They include 3M tape that you can tape up at all corners. They give enough tape so you can actually put a few extra ones on the insides just for extra hold. So I've had these for about a week. I've gone on the highway with them. I have actually driven this in the rain. I've had my car stay out in the rain, and it doesn't seem like it accumulates in there. I'll let you guys know in the future if I have any issues with these, if they fall off or fly off. Fingers crossed that they don't. Yeah, so far so good. I really like them, and I've seen them on other people's CRVs, and that's what kind of got me thinking about them and eventually purchasing them and installing them. So I did this myself, quite easy. Honestly, I think it takes about 5 or 10 minutes to do for both windows. Pretty quick. Just make sure you prep your window properly, you get it cleaned properly, dried off properly. You don't want to leave any dirt or residue on there. Align it up properly too, and do it on a day where you don't have any rain, you have a lot of warmth and sun for fast healing of the 3M tape. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll have the links below. Well, it's mainly just one link for the louvers or the vents on the side, as well as a link for the rims. If you guys live in the Greater Toronto area, you guys can go check out Wheels for Less. Side running board was from Honda, so you can check out your local Honda dealerships in your provinces or states. And this is what I would highly recommend for accessories. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave a comment below. I will hang out there later on and will respond to your questions, concerns, comments, whatever it may be. Until next time, you guys take care of yourselves, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.